Utah Gun Exchange, the nation's patriot marketplace. Buy, sell, trade. UtahGunExchange.com.
All right, this is Utah Gun Exchange, the 2018 SHOT Show. We're at the Ruger booth, and we're taking a look at the PC Carbine with Graham, and he's going to give us the details.
How we doing, folks? Again, Graham with Ruger. We're here at SHOT Show 2018. Got a couple new exciting products for 2018. First one I want to show you is the Ruger PC Carbine. It ships in 9mm. Greatest thing about this is that it takes two different types of magazines. Ships with a multi-module system. The one that it ships with is a Ruger module that takes Ruger SR Security 9 magazines. Included in the box is a module that allows you to just take Glock magazines as well. Quick minute change out. You're shooting Glock mags, Glock sticks, whatever you would like. Other great features of this: adjustable length of pull with 3 1/2-inch spacers. You've got a billet receiver with integrated machined Picatinny rail up top. We have reversible fire controls, so your mag release and your bolt handle are both reversible to the left and right hand sides. We've got a great, just like the 1022, we've got a great takedown feature for those who are looking to do backpack setups and truck setups. Fully adjustable rear sight. We've got a 16 1/8-inch fluted barrel that is, of course, threaded 1/2-28 for all your favorite muzzle accessories and/or suppressors. So again, a great carbine, shipping a 9mm that takes Glock magazine.
That's awesome. Do you have an MSRP on that?
MSRP on that is $649, so we're expecting that to go over the counter somewhere around $500.
That is fantastic. Do you have a minute to go over the precision rimfire?
Let's head on over to the precision rimfire.
Outstanding.
All right, another great product we have here is the Precision Rimfire. We're calling this the baby brother to the Ruger Precision Rifle. Obviously, this is shipping in 22 LR, and the MSRP is $529. So what we really have here is a low-cost entry for someone that wants to either practice and not have to use their precision rifle rounds all the time, or someone that's just getting into precision rifle shooting and would like a low-cost alternative to still learn about ballistics and general precision shooting activities and or matches. So great features on this. We have an adjustable single point, adjustable length of pull and comb piece. We have the same fire control grip and controls as the precision rifle, which helps you train if you're trying to train for the precision rifle. Similarly, the gun has 2 different bolt throws on it. It can either be set up for a rimfire bolt throw, or by removing a simple clip on the bolt, you can go to a 3-inch short action bolt to simulate that short action field while you're training. Obviously, it's a Ruger 22, so it takes Ruger 1022 magazines. This model ships with 1 VX15 mag. The state compliant model ships with 2 10-round magazines. Since we're shooting rimfire, you're going to have to do a lot of elevation adjustments. This gun ships with a 30 MOA rail on top. We've got it for accuracy. We've got an 18-inch target barrel housed with a 15-inch handguard that takes Magpul M-Lock accessories. And of course, again, threaded 1/2-28. So you can add your suppressor on. Ideally, if it's a Ruger suppressor, it's even better.
Fantastic. You know, Graham, it's great to see Ruger coming out with these products. It's apparent they listen to the customer, and we're excited to get these out and test them out. Once again, Graham with Ruger Firearms, thank you very much.
You're welcome, guys. Go check them out, Ruger.com, for a real firearms retailer.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and go to UtahGunExchange.com for all of your Patriot gear needs.
To all those in Second Amendment deprived states, if you're reading this, you are the resistance, and we are with you. The nation's patriot marketplace. Buy, sell, trade. UtahGunExchange.com.